Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about the new telenovela Genesis coming in April. Get ready for Genesis, Mzansi's new telenovela that will surely reshape what you thought you knew about the gospel music industry narrative. Starting in April, Genesis delves into the high-stakes world of gospel music, where loyalty is tested and betrayal lurks around every corner. Felicia Tabete, once the queen of gospel, thought she had built an unshakable legacy with her husband, Gabriel. But when shocking secrets surface, everything she has worked for is thrown into chaos. Now, with Genesis records at risk, Felicia must fight to protect her family's name before it all scrambles. Will she rise from the ashes of betrayal, or will the fallout cost her everything she holds dear? Zanzi viewers must gear up for an emotional roller coaster of a ride because that's what's in store when Genesis premiere, says Shelly Adoniesi, director of local entertainment channel for Mnet. It's all about family, power struggles, love, faith, all set in a powerful and highly contested gospel music industry, which is very relatable to Mzansi. Expect fire performances from an all-star cast which includes Baby Tele from Sibongile and the Dlaminis and Ishaka Ilembe, Buyile Ndladla from Gomorrah, Nay Maps from Umkhokha the Curse and The Queen, Hausi Raditolo from The River, Kialeboa Masango from Youngings, and KB Mutsi Lanyani. Produced by Singer Vision Production, Genesis kicks off on Monday, 21 April at 7:30 p.m. on Channel 161. Don't miss the drama that will resonate long after the credits roll. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.